The following graph allows us to analyze the history of routine maintenance performed. In this graph, we can consult in a very simple way the consistency we have had in the execution of the routine maintenance jobs of an equipment. Let's select an equipment. The MP shows the routine maintenance history of the selected air compressor in a calendar. On the left, we have the description of the routine maintenance activities for the equipment. The blue arrows indicate the maintenance performed. The trace of the blue arrows starts the day in which each maintenance was performed. The length of the blue arrows is the frequency we determine to do each activity. If due to neglect or any other cause the activity is not performed in a timely manner, the equipment is unprotected and the MP indicates as such with a red arrow. Suppose that today is February 6, 2007, date in which the report of the example was done. If we locate the date in which the report was done in the calendar bar, today we would be here. With a yellow background, the MP shows the future. With the white background, the MP shows the past. Then, the blue arrows over the yellow area indicate the date until which the equipment will be protected by the preventive maintenance already performed. The blue arrows over the white background indicate the periods during which the equipment was protected in the past. And as we have already said, the red arrows indicate the period in which the equipment was unprotected because the routine preventive maintenance was not performed in a timely manner. For example, the program shows that the equipment was unprotected during almost all of January since the control activity for the oil level of the lubrication system was not performed. Let's consult the graph history of another equipment. We select the equipment. Now we see the graph history of the air conditioner. By moving this cursor, we can modify the graph scale. We can see that in October and November there are several routine activities which were not performed. So, we could say that during those months the equipment was vulnerable. The vertical line indicates that in early November we had a failure report for the equipment. Let's click here to consult the details of the failure marked in the calendar. The failure description shows that the air conditioner was not cooling well. From the failure in the routine maintenance jobs which were not performed in a timely manner, we can see that in this example there is a direct relation of the failure with the delay in the performance of the routine preventive maintenance. Suppose, for example, that we can see in the analysis that the same failure repeats itself continuously although we are carrying out the maintenance job correctly. From the analysis, we can deduce that, for example, we must shorten the frequency of some maintenance activities to keep the failure from occurring in the future.